Okay, so the supplies that you need are very simple. It's actually two things. Paper. I'm using sticker paper because it makes life super easy. I got mine from Amazon. It's a jet ink printer sticker paper. I love printing my printables on it and using them. It makes life very, very easy. And then I have my, I think this is a Weir Memory Keepers tab punch. Now, you don't need sticker paper, you can use glue, and you don't need a tab punch. You can hand cut it or use a die, but having these two makes this thing last a second. So this is super, super easy. I just want to pick, I did already here 3 tabs, and there are 4 chapters in the book. Here you can see I did the journal. It's just because the way the spine is crooked, it's a little bit hard to see them when you just look at it like this, but they're all there, and you can see they go in rainbow color. And I also added some stitching. You can see stitching to them, and then a word sticker. But here these are just plain, like there's nothing on there. So let's do another one. You will be amazed how easy it is. I just want to go for like different colors if I can. There's a lot of yellow, so let's try to avoid that. And I have used like a ton of these, so don't cringe if I'm kind of messing up something that you like, because I used, these are like my spare ones that I made. So I'm just going to tab, punch once, punch twice, and then comes the hard part. Let's zoom in. So the first thing I want to look as is which page I want to add my tab, and here I just did kind of I tried to do like equal pages, so every few pages there's a tab. But then here I want to do this by the according to the chapters in the book. And where are they? Okay, I guess I can use the 124. Okay, so I want to first, let's remove the backing. And I want it to be in the right place. So this is super easy. You just kind of make sure you have it in the right place, and then you see it's kind of okay. It doesn't have to be super accurate, although if you want to measure, of course you're welcome to. And then you just stick it so it's a little bit on the page, and then most of it is of course hanging off. Then we turn to the other side. So this is the sticky side, and I'm going to remove the backing from this one, and this is the tricky part of aligning things, especially on camera. It's always fun. I think that's not bad. And there we go. So now if I wanted, I could add like a little label with the you know, chapter name. So this one is projects. Oh, I didn't do a perfect job. You can see a little bit of white, but it's all right. And then here we have the art. So you can add it or you can leave it. Now I'll show you just a simple way. So I was just playing around with this, but if you don't have a tab punch or anything, what you can do is grab such a piece and you can cut, just hand cut. I like things to look messy, so I don't actually want to get a super perfect shape. So you can do this, and then add adhesive on both sides. Do this like this, and then stick it like that. So that would be the super easy way without any special paper or punches or anything. That's how you can do that. And the last variation, or another variation you can do, is kind of these half circles. So the way I did these are, this is actually from a thicker paper. I just used some scraps of watercolor paper, and basically it's kind of the same like this. You just, and you can use sticker paper if you have it. I'll show you how easy that is. And once you get started, I think you'll have to put these on everything you make. So basically you take just a piece of paper, you fold it in half. I still have the backing on here. And then I just cut a wonky shape. Of course, you can do whatever shape you want, but I really like these guys. And then I would, to adhere this, I would just remove the backing and then place it like this. And then you can stitch it, you know, doodle on it, add stickers, whatever you want. It's just, it's such a, for me, it makes a journal even more inviting and fun to look at and look through and work in. And if you don't have sticker paper, again, just use adhesive and you're done. So thanks for watching. Bye.